See everything that you need to see, because once you go in that retail store, you can't come back inside. And does anyone have a favorite Coca-Cola beverage or product they like? If you do, you can shout it out for me. Diet Coke, okay. Anyone else? Coke Zero, okay. Anyone else?
Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. They said that you loved me all along. Now I see you.
Philippines, I want Philippines. Ate, Philippines. That Philippines.
Ako na sa'yo, Madagascar.
Sprite, ate.
I like this.
This one be it's fresh from It's good. Ay, lamig man. Ate, Sprite. North America Sprite. Smells like this.
Lemonade.
Fanta.
Chili. Let's chili.
Ano daw? This one tastes good. Fanta pineapple.
I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin again.
Ew, love it. This one, cola. Kani ba? Daddy, kanang China nga Fanta. Kani mura daw ni barbecue. Barbecue daw. Kani.
I don't want to do it. Si Daddy.
Ako bi ka.
Kaya wala sa kapitaran eh.
Ito na, pero... Lame. Just melon.
Kanibro. Wala ka try ani kanina mo.
Hey, water.
Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it